Tim here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're back out at this house. We did the house the other day, but they had this big, huge RV here and truck. So this week they're going out for a couple of days camping. So it was a great time to come in. They just pulled out when I was pulling in, so it worked out perfectly. But we're gonna scrub the concrete so that it matches the part up there that I scrubbed when we did the house. So I'm gonna start here with the mailbox and pre-treating all this, scrub all this, do the outside here and do this. And since everything goes down and cuts over right there where the area is clean to dirty, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scrub this away and let it all rinse down and over. Probably start on this side and work myself this way, because at the very end of everything it should end up there a little bit beyond that plug for their RV. So here we go, another fun day. And there we go, it's now clean. The two sides will match when it dries. You can see this is already dry, that's dry, that's dry, that's dry. So it won't bake but a second in this wind and this heat and this sun to finish it out. And this is all gonna look like brand spanking new versus what it was dirty before. So there we go, another one in the books. On to the next. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.